Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hi everyone! Today, we're going to draw and color a cool scooter. So grab your pencils and colors, and let's get started. First, I draw the headlight visor and the inner body. Then I draw the side panel. Next, I draw the fender. After that, I draw the handlebar. Then I add the headlight and fork tube. Next, I draw the front wheel. Finally, I add the trunk and the back wheel. Then I draw the seat on the side. Now it's time to color. First, I use magenta for the headlight visor, fork tube, and footboard side. Then I use light blue for the inner body. I use yellow for the headlight and grips. I color the seat green. I use red for the top of the trunk and the fork tube. Then I use blue for the inside of the fork tube and the side of the trunk body. I use brown for the handlebar and foot mat area. Finally, I use black for the wheels. Our colorful scooter is ready to ride. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you next time on Tiny Hands Art. Bye!